my name is Jake Sykes of Group A. In this Computing Fundamentals assignment I will go into detail about design patterns in Java, concentrating mainly on singletons. First of all, a singleton is a design pattern which is used when implementing a mathematical concept of a singleton, then by instantiation of a class to one object. With singletons, it makes it easier for you to reuse previous design patterns. Often with singletons, they are used to solve commonly occurring problems with Java. They ensure the existence of just one instance. The instance provides a global point of access to the singleton. Singletons make the class responsible for keeping track of a single instance. They intercept requests to create new objects. An example of this would be using singletons to stop a button, when pressed, from repeating itself. Here is some Java code that I have created which contains a button. Here's the code for the button, which when clicked, it says click me. It will open the properties for the singleton, which is an action event, and the singleton contains properties for an empty box. So when running the program, every time I click on the button, the empty box will open. Each time the button is clicked, an empty box will open. So we need to create an instance to help solve this. Here are the properties for the empty box. It can be used for any applet. And to create the instance, it needs to be private, static, and for the singleton, and I'm going to name this unique instance. This needs to be changed from public to private. Now the code for the instance needs to be created. So public, static, singleton, and it is get instance. I'm going to create an if statement. So if unique instance equals null, then unique instance equals new singleton. Underneath this we will need to type return unique instance. So here is the code for it, and when returning back to the action event, as you can see there is an error for the singleton, so this needs to be changed to link it to the instance. Singleton dot get instance, it's already there, and semicolon to end it. So as you can see, the error is gone. So when running the app now, these are both classes, when clicking on it, it displays the box, but every other time you click on it, it only displays the one box, so the instance has worked. When crossing the box off and clicking again, the box still will not appear again. And that's the instance.